What's going on, guys? How you all doing today? Today we're just driving around, and I decided what better night to come up to the spot, just hang out. I haven't been up here in a while, and do that. So I figured I'd come up here, hang out before I go to karaoke night, and chill in my favorite garage. I don't get to come up here very often at all. When I do come up here, it's not for very long. It's just a come thing. But today I figured I'd bring you all up to hang out, chillax, you know. So, we're here. So today I want to talk to you guys about my new car buddy I made last weekend, I think it was. Met him at a car meet in Ashley's, and he is a Miata guy. Pretty cool dude. So he's pretty new to the car scene. Yeah, I'm son Shelby. So, you know, me being nice, I decided I will, you know, offer to say, hey, if you want to come to my channel, you know, like install videos and stuff, you ever need to install videos or need help with anything, just let me know, you know, glad to do videos and shit. So he's like, yeah, that sounds cool. So, did that last weekend. Now, it's almost Thanksgiving, by the way. Look at this view. Look at that. How awesome is that behind me? So let's make a video, hanging out, chilling. More videos to come. Hopefully doing new install videos and all that good stuff. So be on the lookout for that. That's gonna wrap up this video. It was kind of short. Drive up to the garage, talking to you real quick. So if you like what you see, give me a huge thumbs up. If you're subscribed to the channel, thank you very much. If you're not, hit that subscribe button. As always, people, stay positive, be cool, and keep doing you. As always, deuces, everybody.